Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about uh, business plan, template, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now listen to the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. You can choose an account. So here wait a few seconds to build in the store. The first thing you have to do now, you go to the online store and go to the themes if you want to change the themes and customize them on your homepage store. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So now wait a few seconds to install in the theme, and after this you can publish it and customize it. Once your theme is installed, you can just click publish, and now you can customize it on your home page. So click customize and it will take you to your homepage store. So this is your homepage store right now. Here this is the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen. So I'm gonna keep it like this. This is the settings where you can design your homepage store. Here the first we have the header. You have the announcements bar. You can change the color scheme. You can show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. Here you can turn this on, auto change announcements. You can enable country and region selector. Also you can enable language selector. So let's get back. Let's move on to the announcement. Here you can change the text. You can also pass a link or search for something, or like collections or products. I'm gonna select all collections like this. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the header. The header section. Here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type. Here you can change the sticky header. You can edit it. You can show separator line. Here you can change the color scheme or the menu color scheme. Here you can also enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. You can manage the mobile layout, the mobile logo position. You can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. And also here you can edit the theme settings. You can enable search suggestions. Here you can put your social media links, your Twitter link or your Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. Let's move on now to the logo. Here you have to select your logo from your library. So for example, let's search on it on the browser. So for example, you can choose whatever you want. So this is your logo right now. Yeah, this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. You can change it. You can remove it. Here you can change the desktop logo width. So that's it, as you like, as usual. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the next section, the template, the image banner. Here we find if you want to add the first image. So from the browser, let's search on some photos. For example, this. This is the first image. You can add, of course, the second image. Here you can edit you can change it at any time. Of course, you can change it or edit it. Here you can change the banner height. You can also edit the image overlay opacity. You can show container on desktop. You can change the desktop content alignment. Here you can stack image on mobile, you can show container on mobile. So that's it. Let's get back. Let's move on to the next section here, the heading of the slide of the image banner. So for example, you can generate the text and describe what this text is about. Business and template. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Now you can change also the heading size if you want. You can change the form of the text. So let's get back. Here the buttons, you can change the first button label. Also you can change the first button link. You can add the second button label, and you can add also the second button link. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on the featured collection. Here also the heading, just describe what this text is about. Here you can change the heading size. You can also just describe what this text is about on the description, just like we do here. So here you can show collection description from the admin. You can edit the maximum product to show. Also you can edit the number of column on desktop. You can make product full width. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can also edit the product card. You can show second image on hover. You can show vendor. You can show product region. If you wanna enable quick add button. So that's it. Let's get back. If you wanna add something new on your home page, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add. For example, another image with a text, or another image with image banner. So that's it. So the last section of the website, the footer section, here you can change it, the color scheme. You can change the heading, just describe what this text is about. So that's it. Now let's get back. After you're done from design your website, now you can save this, and the next step is to name your store. Let's get back, and let's get back to the home page, to the dashboard. So after you add your first product, after you add a custom domain, and after you add the sharing details, now the next step is name your store. Click here. Now you can name it. Just type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone. You can add the store email. So let's save this. Now after this, the last step is the launch your online store. So here you can pick a plan. You can after you pick a plan, you can remove your store password if you want. You can set your shipping rates, and also you can set up payments provider if you want to do the active trial. So that's it. Now after you launch your online store, that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.